In the heart of the wild, an ancient secret is about to be forged from nature itself. What you are about to witness is not just construction. It's the revival of a lost art, a testament to human ingenuity. He possesses a skill few have ever seen, and the masterpiece he is about to create will leave you breathless. The work begins with a single cut, precise and full of purpose. Each piece of bamboo is chosen with care, its strength and spirit understood. He moves with the quiet confidence of a master craftsman. The river watches on, a silent partner in this creation. A vision begins to take shape, piece by painstaking piece. He scales his emergent creation, becoming part of the landscape itself. From this vantage point, he surveys not just his work, but his world. The process is methodical, almost meditative. Every notch and joint is perfected with unwavering focus. He harnesses the strength of the forest to build his sanctuary. The floor of his haven is laid, a foundation of patience. Soon, this raw framework will be transformed. The creator rests, envisioning the final form of his dream. With the dawn of a new day, the vision expands. He crafts the floor, a sturdy base for the shelter to come. The vast, silent wilderness is his only witness. The work continues, a symphony of traditional tools and natural materials. The skeleton of a shelter rises, promising refuge and peace. The design is intricate, a lattice of strength and elegance. From the embrace of the ancient stones, a new structure is born. Each piece fits into a larger puzzle, a design held only in his mind. The artistry is in the details, the precision of his hands. Now, the next phase of his ambitious plan begins. He ferries more materials, the lifeblood of his creation. With immense effort, the main beams are hoisted into place. He pauses, a silent moment of communion with his work. A barrier against the elements, a humble fence is formed. The structure stands complete, a testament to his solitary vision. A simple roof is added, the final touch of shelter and protection. His work is done. Now, he can finally inhabit his creation. A perfect harmony of human endeavor and natural beauty. One final inspection, a nod of deep, quiet satisfaction. Here, suspended between water and stone, stands his masterpiece. But the creation is not yet complete. A new idea takes root. He begins to shape the bamboo with a new purpose. He scores the surface, preparing it for a unique function. The great leaves of the forest will provide a natural, waterproof layer. A new floor is laid, layered with the wisdom of the wild. He works alone, yet is in constant conversation with his surroundings. His pride is evident, a quiet joy in the work of his hands. He feels the surface, ensuring perfection in every detail. The axe falls with purpose, shaping the final elements. From above, the pattern emerges, a mosaic of natural materials. The final pieces are set, completing the sturdy platform. He tests its strength, walking upon the culmination of his efforts. Each tap of the axe secures his legacy. The last adjustments are made with the utmost care. A final, satisfying inspection of the flawless surface. He clears away the remnants of his labor, a ritual of completion. But his vision is not yet fulfilled. The work must go on. The saw sings its song once more, answering the call of creation. The focus is absolute, a meditation in wood and steel. The sanctuary is built. Now, he will build its heart. He begins crafting the shelter that will sit atop his platform. He drives the first supports deep into the ancient stone. A foundation anchored in the earth, reaching for the sky. The frame begins to rise against the tranquil river. Even the sweat on his brow seems to be part of the design. The line between the builder and his work begins to blur. The roof structure is raised, a crown for his river home. High above the water, he secures the highest point of his creation. The familiar rhythm of the saw echoes across the valley. With his knife, he carves the finer details. A close-up reveals the raw power and precision of his tools. He binds the joints with rope, using techniques passed down through generations. The humble hut stands proud, a beacon of solitude. He anchors the structure, ensuring it can withstand the tests of time and nature. He prepares to install the roof, the final piece of the puzzle. Each strike is a deliberate act of creation. Patience is the most important tool in his possession. His hands move with an innate understanding of the material. The roof is finished, a beautiful tapestry of bamboo. And now, the floor of his new home is carefully laid. The vision is complete, a home built by hand and heart. Now, he turns his attention to the walls, using wood for the first time. The axe rings out, splitting logs for his burgeoning cabin. From above, we see the roof taking on a new, more solid form. He lays each plank with care, creating a sturdy shield against the rain. The roof is almost finished, a fusion of wood and bamboo. He saws the planks to size with practiced ease. The motion is fluid, a testament to countless hours of labor. A layer of bamboo adds further reinforcement to the roof. He meticulously fills every gap. The project nears completion, a monument to persistence. Every corner is inspected and perfected. The final form is a stunning blend of rustic charm and masterful engineering. The last plank is prepared. The cabin now stands fully roofed, solid and secure. He works on the final details, his focus unwavering. His creation is a jewel set against the wild landscape. The satisfaction of near completion is visible. A breathtaking view of the finished exterior. One last touch to make it perfect. The finished house, a solitary retreat born from the wilderness. He planes the wood for the interior, his touch gentle and precise. Now, the inside will be transformed from a shell into a home. He raises a beam, the inner architecture taking shape. He works from within, enveloped by the sanctuary he has built. The walls are clad in warm wood, a stark contrast to the stone outside. From inside, the world looks different. He gazes out, perhaps seeing his future in this tranquil place. The details of the interior are crafted with the same care as the exterior. The walls are paneled, enclosing him in a cocoon of wood and silence. A moment of peace, standing inside his dream made real. But there is one final piece to the puzzle. The house needs a connection to the land. He begins work on a bridge, a path to his refuge. He works on the approach, extending his creation outwards. The completed house and its budding bridge. He fashions a door, the gateway to his private world. The final touches are applied to the roof. The house stands finished, awaiting its bridge. Slowly and steadily, the bridge stretches across the gap. The house and bridge, united at last, a seamless extension of the landscape. The final masterpiece is a breathtaking sight. With the house complete, he perfects the path that leads to it. Each bamboo slat is placed with precision, ensuring a safe and beautiful walkway. His hands guide the final pieces into place. The bridge stands as a symbol of connection, both practical and poetic. His tools, extensions of his will, perform their final tasks. He carves the supports, the pillars that will hold his path. The bridge is anchored, becoming a permanent part of this place. He stands on his bridge, looking back at the home he built from nothing. The first confident steps across the completed bridge. He adds a handrail, a final gesture of safety and care. Now the journey to his home is complete and secure. The final railing is fastened into place. The bridge is truly finished, a work of art in its own right. A breathtaking panorama of the entire homestead. Now, a new project, a raft to explore the river. He lashes the bamboo together, building a vessel to carry him on the water. The simple raft is ready for its maiden voyage. He perfects the railings on his dock, the final detail of his waterside home. The entire creation, in all its glory, a life built by hand. He sweeps the last of the debris away, his work truly done. But a home is not just for shelter, it is for living. He begins to furnish it. He weaves a seat, turning simple bamboo strips into a place of rest. The intricate pattern shows a master's touch. He sits, testing the fruit of his labor, a look of profound peace on his face. He stands and surveys his domain, a king in his self-made castle. The river flows on, holding the reflection of his incredible achievement. A big thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Building Technology for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this story, please visit and support their channel via the link in the description below.